Hi everyone! So today I have a Temu haul and it is part Valentine's Day. We'll call it Valentine's Day haul. I am an affiliate with them. These items were sent to me. So you can go ahead and enter my coupon code, which is fav45575. If you put that in the search bar on the website or in the app, and it will possibly give you new coupons. And also it'll take you to my storefront so you can see all the different items that I've been getting from them. And then I will also leave a link in the description box with all of the products. So let's dive on in and see what I got this time around. Okay. I tell you guys all the time, read the description box. Don't be like me. And then guess what I do? I'm me again. I did not read the description box. So this was $3.75. It came with 50 pieces. I thought these were going to be like half the size. So these are just large, pretty, multicolor little hearts. They do have an iridescent shine to them. So these come in, let's see, how big are these? These are 1.5 inches. So they are a large size. I honestly thought they were going to be like half the size. I thought they were going to be like maybe 1 inch. But what I want to do is just put a jump ring on here and then use it as like a little dangly piece for a chunky charm. So I'll probably use this as the bottom center little focal piece. But now I have 50. That's a whole lot. Like I said, I thought these were going to be smaller. So my initial thought was to like stick them throughout the chunky charm. But if you guys have any other ideas on what to use these for, definitely let me know. Give me some ideas. I super appreciate it when you guys do that. Okay, here is another item. Okay, here's another item. Again, I didn't read the description, and these are way larger than I thought. So this was $6.89, and it has 37 pieces in total in here. Again, I didn't think these were like take me to the beach size shovels. I thought they were going to be mini shovels because that's what I had put in the search bar when I was looking. So I didn't, again, read the description and pay attention to how big everything was. So I ended up with these big old shovels. So I thought I could use this for sequence mix. I'm never going to make a sequence mix that is going to be this big that I need like basically a baby shovel. But so in having to pivot from my original idea. Okay, zoom you guys out a little bit. So pivoting from my original idea, I can't use this for sequins. I think it'd be cute if I can figure out a way to dangle like a little bead dangle or chunky charm, and then maybe put some bows or like flowers in here and send that off kind of as like the packaging. I think, you know, like 4 or 6 little flowers in here would be cute with a little dangly like chunky charm thing going on. So I think that would be cute. So it came with the pink, white, and red shovels. It did come with these adorable little tags that say "I dig you." And it does have these little stickers, but they're like on a clear sticker that say "I dig you" as well. So you can probably even put that like across right here. And then it did come with the ribbon. So I got some little heart ribbon. And then it did come with the little baggies as well. How far do these go down in there? So these go almost all the way down. So this would be cute. Like I said, put like little flowers, I think would be cute. So, you know what? I got them, so I got to figure out a way to use them, right? So that's going to be my new idea. If you guys have any ideas on what else to do with these, definitely let me know. For $7, I still think it's a great value. I love these little tags. I think that is so cute. My next item was $7.87. You get 100 pieces in here. It does come in different colors. Again, I was trying to think of like Valentine's Day. So look, they are double layered sequins, little flowers, little like roses. So there's a layer of sequins, seed bead, then some sequins, and then more seed beads. I can't believe you get 100 of them. That is so awesome. It is on this like weird material. So I would think that we can't like cut too much off, right? Because it'd fall apart. Well, let's find out an experiment. Yeah, I feel like if I snip off the stitching though, I feel like it would just unravel. Okay, so I didn't cut the like stitching off. I just cut the little paper or like little cloth material, and it seems to be doing just fine. And then I can definitely just go ahead and glue the bottom of this, so that way you can't be able to see it. See, I don't think you can see that bottom anymore. So this is gonna be super cute. Just add some glue, stick it down. So 100 of those. Like I said, they do come in different colors in case you're interested in that. Now these next two items, I saw Liana from It's a Deal get these. So I wanted to grab them. As soon as she showed this one, I was like, oh my gosh, that would be so cute for a clipboard. And then she's like, you know, that they'd be good for like little clipboards. I'm like, yes. So it comes with the sticky on the back, and then you just have a little clippy. So I thought that was really good. And these were 20 pieces for $1.53. Then she also got these. They're 10 pieces for $2.76. And they're adorable. I love tickets. I love stamps. I love any of that kind of stuff. So these are nice acrylic. Nice and thick. So you can definitely make a pair of earrings out of these, or use these for your chunky charms and like little bead dangles. Super cute. I think they're adorable. I wish they weren't in pink. I wish they were more like a red, but that's what they came in, so that's what I got. These I love as well. These were 20 pieces for $1.66. These are a large size, but they are little bow connectors. So you could go ahead and put a jump ring right here with a little lobster clasp, put another jump ring down here, and then do like a charm or a little bead dangle or whatever you like. Maybe a little tassel down here. Like, the possibilities are just so cute with these. So really happy that I found those. These are a little bit larger than the ones that I do have in my stash already. So super excited with those. And they do have like a whole variety of these little bow connectors. There were so many. I just went for the cheaper one. But yeah, you could go on there. They have them in silver as well. Other colors. So go check those out. Okay, this is another one that I did not pay attention to the sizing. It is tiny, you guys. You want to use up your scrap paper, you need to get this bow die. So it comes with like this little part right here. There's also like a stitching. I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually like wavy, like scalloped. So these two pieces are like scalloped right here. So you basically get 3 bows, because you can layer this part on top of here. Then the stitch ones you can layer. And then this little itty bitty one you can layer as well. This is supposed to be 2 hearts and like a little house. That is so tiny. I can't even imagine trying to use this thing. So let's see. It's like an inch wide for these bows. So they are not big at all. Like I said, if you're looking to use up your stash. Oh yeah, it's not even like an inch tall. So if you're looking to use up like your stash of scraps, I think this die would be really good. And it was $1.12. That's why I bought it, because I was like, oh yay, it's cheap. And it is tiny. I also got this. I want to try to start making more tags and do like more little tag flips, because I'm not good at it. So this was $2.60. So you get 3 tags right here, plus all the little pieces inside. So with these, you need to go ahead and remove the inner pieces of the dies in here. So I have wire cutters specifically just for my dies, and I took it inside because I was trying to break apart some other ones. So I need to go inside and go grab that. But essentially, you just need to go ahead and pop these out. You could even use your fingers like I'm doing right now. So that way you can go ahead and use this die. So you see, not bad. You can just go ahead and rip it out. But see, like I missed this piece right here. So that's what I use my wire cutters for, to go ahead and grab that. So now you have all of these little extra pieces, plus your tags. So stinking cute. Love that. So tons of little pieces on that one. And then I also got the other set, because there's 2 sets. This one was $2.13. And again, you get the 3 tags, so they are different shapes. You can see right here on top, they're all different, so that's why I got both sets. This one comes with a little pretty rose, different loves, a little key. I love keys also. I collect like keys. I have a jar of keys. And then this is a little hole reinforcer right here. So you're going to die cut this out, and then you can stick it up here just to reinforce that hole. So it's kind of using like an eyelet, but like a paper one. And then I like that this one has it has like a little layering piece to it. So that's going to be really cute. And this will fit on all of them. So you can like mix and match with all of these. So very, very cute. Highly recommend those. Can't wait to see what else I can come up with those. And then last couple of items. This was $4.92, and it's going to make a box, but it has multiple layering pieces again. So love that. You can just pop this out. So there's a heart one, or you can use this like ocean waves or mermaid or dragon right here, whatever this kind of reminds you of. So like if for this one, if you wanted to use this, you'd cut it twice. So you'd use a panel here and then over here where the hearts are. So these are just like interchangeable within themselves. And then there's flowers up here, and it does have that shadow layering piece. There's some hearts over here. All this stuff I would cut out and pop it out. Even this part right here that's like scalloped, it even gives you that layering piece right there. So you're just going to go ahead and like pop all of these out. Like I said, use your wire cutters to make sure you get a nice clean cut on all of these. So this is going to be really cute. I cannot wait to put this one together. It's going to be really, really awesome. Okay, this one, love, love, love. It was $6.48. It is a Memorydex that you can use 3 different ways. So here's your Memorydex right here. So pretend that this isn't here. There's your Memorydex. It does have the layering piece, so that could be one way. You can also cut the Memorydex, and then this is a pocket that you'd put right on top of the Memorydex. So you can now have a Memorydex with a pocket. Or if you cut this piece, this is going to be a flap. So now you have like an enclosed Memorydex box. So you can use this 3 ways as like the box, the plain Memorydex, or a pocket one. I think that is so cool. It comes with all the layering pieces. So again, you're going to take this little panel out right here when you cut it out. And then this is going to be your layering piece. So this also has a layering piece. Really, really cute. I love that it has everything that you need to go with it. So that is our little haul for today. Like I said, I'll leave all the links down below in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to put my coupon code in the search bar so you can get coupons and also see my little storefront there. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm always happy to help you guys out. And happy shopping and happy crafting, guys. Bye, guys.